Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to export in Snapchat. If you want to save and share your favorite lenses with others, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section by default. Skip the camera for now and go straight to the lens. Step 3. Tap and hold on the lens icon, which is located in the center of the screen. By doing so, a menu will appear with various options. Step 4. From the menu, look for the Export Lens option and tap on it. This will allow you to save and share the lens with others. By following these simple steps, you can easily export your favorite lenses in Snapchat, giving you the ability to save and share them with friends and followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.